Okay, so you can see the next step after you've drawn your dragon and you have your 1-inch border. You're going to put in, think about your dragon and think about the characteristics of your dragon. For example, my dragon is a sky dragon. He likes to fly. He comes out at night. And so I put the crescent moons in the border. And then whatever's on the left side, I will put it on the right side. So I'll put another crescent moon on the other side. They look a little bit like bananas, but that's okay. And curve it. And then put the other one on this side. Maybe it goes right off the page. Comes back on. And they're going opposite directions. And this one will go the other way. When you're doing your border with the Sharpie, start at the top and just pull your arm down so you can get a straight line. Go really slowly and just slide your arm down, 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 down. Probably good to put a newspaper underneath it so you don't get it on the table or wherever you're working. Same thing here. And remember, when you get to your dragon, don't go through it. Jump over it. Jump over it. If your dragon overlapped the border. And try to make it as straight as you can. Pull the arm down slowly. Tell me when to jump. Jump. Go all the way down. Same thing with this side. Jump over the wing. Jump over that wing. Go all the way to the edge of the paper. Okay, and then I have some gems in the corners because he likes to hoard things. So I put some gems in each corner. And since he's a sky dragon, there's going to be clouds also. But you could have a fire dragon, a water dragon, any kind of dragon you want. But remember, whatever you put at the top, you want to make it symmetrical. So put it in the same place at the bottom. This cloud is behind the wing. And then this cloud is going to be on top here. So I'm going to put this other cloud right below it. And this one will be, wing is overlapping this cloud. So I have 5 clouds across the bottom, but this wing's blocking the next to the last cloud. So everything should be exactly opposite. Okay, then I have some scales left to do on his tail. So I made the top row kind of bigger and then connect it from one middle point of the scale to the next middle point. So take your time, be patient as you develop all the details on your dragon, because that's what's going to make it look really good when you have so much dragon texture on it. Also, you don't have to do a dragon. You could do any kind of mythical creature. I'm going to show you in the next video an example. I think of a phoenix I'll do. Or I can show you the book I got. There's one book I have called Fairy Falls, which has a horse body and fairy wings. So think of any kind of mythical creature that you want to do, but remember to put texture on it and give it personality. Think about where it lives, what it likes. You might have, like I could have done a woodland dragon, and maybe it's going to eat acorns. Any kind of things in your border that relate to your dragon or your mythical creature. I used a thinner Sharpie for the texture on his face. Maybe I'll go around the eye a little bit thicker to emphasize it more, and a little bit more on the wavy carp-like whiskers to emphasize them more. Emphasize means you really notice it. So your dragon is emphasized by making it bigger, putting lots of details on it, and then coloring it brightly. Okay, then you can take your eraser and erase all your pencil lines before our next step will be watercoloring it. Erase this part up here. Okay, in the next video I'll show you some different mythical creatures in a couple of books that I have. You may find some dragon pictures in some of the books you have, or some mythical creature books that you have, or maybe you'll just make up your own mythical creature. But if you notice, dragons have kind of a snake-like body and bat-like wings. At least this dragon does. Okay, on to the next